Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your credit builder account with Self, full guide step by step clearly. To activate your credit builder account with Self, start by visiting the Self website. Once on the home page, locate the Get Started button. Click on the button to begin the account creation process. You will need to provide your personal information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Ensure that the information you enter is accurate to avoid any issues later. After filling out your details, click Next to proceed. Now, create a secure password for your account. Make sure your password meets the security requirements listed on the page. Once your password is set, click on Create Account. You will receive a verification email to the address you provided. Check your inbox for this email, and click the verification link inside. This action will redirect you back to the Self website. Log in using your newly created credentials. Next, navigate to the Credit Builder Accounts section of your dashboard. Select the option to open a Credit Builder account. You will be prompted to choose your desired account term and monthly payment amount. Review the terms and see which option fits your financial goals. After making your selection, click Next to continue. Next, enter your banking information for the account funding process. This will allow the necessary funds to be transferred into your credit builder account. Make sure all bank details are entered accurately. Once your banking information is complete, click on Submit. You may need to verify your identity by providing a form of identification. Upload the required documents as instructed on the page. Review all your information for accuracy one final time. Once everything looks good, click on Activate Account. You will receive confirmation once your credit builder account is successfully activated. Take note of any additional instructions or important information provided. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.